Hi, I'm Andrew from New Jersey. I've been using the Fin monitor, pool monitor, for a few years for my pool, monitoring temperature, pH, and chlorine levels for years. Uh, that monitor was pretty great, but I was devastated last year when Hayward discontinued the Fin service and product and left me with a nice white paperweight. Uh, to my surprise, iopool, a very similar product, announced that they were supporting connections to the Fin device through their app. So I gave it a go. It worked well. I decided I wanted to use their bridge and got their own iopool device with the gateway so I can get notifications. It's been working great. I have it set up here. Uh, and I moved my Fin device over to the hot tub. Not long after, the Fin device finally died. I guess the battery ran out. And that's the end of that. So I will be purchasing another iopool device for my hot tub over here. It's been really great. Uh, Pool maintenance has never been easier. I don't have algae because I got a pool robot running too. But it's just wonderful making sure that I keep my chlorine levels in check. My pH is right, so I'm not wearing down my liner, my pump, and it's nice I could set temperature notifications so I know when my pool's nice and ready to jump in. It's been great.